Are you tired of misplacing your sunglasses? Do you find switching glasses in your car to be a hassle? Now's your chance to clear your center console of all your bulky glasses cases. Introducing the Sunglasses Holder from Superior Essentials. Now you can store and access your glasses and shades with ease. No buttons, no moving parts, simply slide your glasses into place and you're good to go. You can clip this glasses holder to your sun visor or onto your air vent, whichever you prefer. This sunglasses holder firmly secures one pair of glasses or sunglasses at a time without rattling or slipping while you drive. Plus, its small size and stout packaging make it a perfect gift. Never lose your sunglasses again.
Why should you use Blue Driver? Because it turns your smartphone or tablet into a powerful yet affordable professional OBD2 scan tool that lets you scan and understand your vehicles. Blue Driver is the tool professionals use to save time and money. When you scan your vehicle with Blue Driver, not only will you get the trouble codes, but you'll get a list of all the possible causes and reported fixes from the Identifix database of experienced ASE certified mechanics. Blue Driver is simple to use. Download the free app, plug the sensor into your OBD2 port, and pair it with your device via Bluetooth. That's it. You've got everything you need, and there's nothing extra to buy, ever. See how easy it is to scan and read the trouble codes? Then when the issue is fixed, use Blue Driver to turn the check engine light off. With Blue Driver, you can view live data of your vehicle's engine, charging and cooling systems. Check to see if you'll pass the smog check. You can also perform enhanced diagnostics and read and clear airbag, transmission, ABS, and other module codes. Blue Driver, built and supported by a team of professional engineers in North America.
The Astro AI 150 PSI digital tire gauge is the perfect car accessory for your toolbox or car's glove compartment. Its simple and lightweight design means it can travel anywhere you need it to go, whether you're measuring tires for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. Even in darkness, this gauge shines bright with its integrated lighted nozzle for increased visibility in roadside emergencies. Precise results are displayed on a clear, backlit LCD screen that always returns a reading within 100% of the exact pressure of your tire. This gauge's ergonomic design makes it easy to use, especially when selecting between 4 different units of pressure for your most ideal reading. This automotive accessory is programmed to increase its battery life with an auto-off function. A 1-year warranty is provided by Astro AI for additional peace of mind. This digital tire gauge keeps your vehicles operating smoothly and safely for all of life's adventures.
If you spend time on the road, you are bound to witness irresponsible driving. And no matter how careful you are, you can always be affected by another driver's bad decisions. To avoid paying for the actions of irresponsible drivers, you need a device which you can always rely on as a personal eyewitness. The Rexing V1 has been that device, proving itself time and time and time again as a necessary addition to vehicles everywhere. Reliable, intuitive, and immensely powerful, the Rexing V1 offers several exceptional qualities which distinguish it as a top-rated dash cam. The discreet design of the incredibly lightweight body features a low-profile form, making it practically invisible to other drivers. The camera records full HD footage with an immensely wide 170-degree field of view, capturing everything with absolute clarity. Using wide dynamic range technology, the V1 can automatically adapt to any light condition, day or night. Rather than use a standard lithium-ion battery, the Rexing V1 camera is powered by a supercapacitor to guarantee you long-term reliability in even the most extreme temperatures. The camera also features a 2.4-inch LCD screen, which you can use to play back your recordings at any time. And sharing your footage has never been easier, thanks to the camera's built-in Wi-Fi. The Rexing app interface allows you to quickly and easily transfer your clips directly to your phone or tablet. Document your driving experiences with a personal eyewitness that's always there when you need it. Highly functional and always reliable, the Rexing V1 offers peace of mind to responsible drivers everywhere.